I can fix this. Have read all my life.
Wait. You may have learned some myths and I can help you understand better. Hello folks, welcome to Steve's Garage. I will help with your day-to-day vehicle repair issues. In this series I am going to be your vehicle repair myth buster. A common myth: synthetics are bad for engine seals. This is not true. While 30 years ago some synthetics reacted differently with some engine seals and conventional motor oil, Chemists for oil companies long ago cured that issue. Today's synthetics are designed to play nice with all engine seals. This video is powered by Automotix.